Hey, what's up, Chainlink holder? This is very important and very urgent update video for all Chainlink holder, because in this video we will predicate this coin, my brothers, to in August can they will give you a profit or not. Can this month, my brother, there is a chances to Chainlink will give you a profit or not. Let's start a brand video, my friend, without any doubt. But kindly, please, my brother, please subscribe this channel for more this type informative and urgent videos. Now kindly like videos, subscribe channel. My brother's Chainlink, one of the fastest cryptocurrency in those days, going and very good now, and definitely, my friend, the price will be increasing now hour by hour, minute by minute, and I am so happy to see this time, my brother. If you can see, my brother, in the start of July, my brother, they will fail us down, but at the end, oh my goodness, they will take a very huge jump now, and absolutely this is mind blowing now. And I hope, my brother, sometime they will moving in upward action, sometime they will fail us down. So therefore I will tell you, my brothers, to upcoming time there is a chance so they will give you a profit. So please don't miss this chance. Take a risk and get a profit. I hope, my brothers, they will make you a millionaire now. See you next time, holder. My prediction is completely totally going to be positive now. And what's your price prediction? Please share it in a comment box. And my opinion is for all of you to please hold, don't share it. And what's your opinion? And you also share your opinion in a comment box. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like video, and remember, don't forget to subscribe this channel, because every channel will guide you, update you every day, every time.